Hi, my name is Tyger, and today I will teach you about the Earth's inner layers. You know, when I was about 6, I always loved digging holes in my backyard. I never got to the other side of the Earth. Why is that? Let's take a look inside the Earth. What are these? I don't remember seeing them when I looked down. Let's see, we've got crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. The crust is made out of solid rock, and if you haven't noticed, it's actually where we step on every day. Underneath the crust is known as the mantle. The mantle is made out of molten rock, liquid. But something that's very unique of the mantle, which no other layer of the Earth has, is that this layer is made out of 3 different layers. The lithosphere, asthenosphere, and the mesosphere. All 3 are different parts of the mantle. And like you can see, both of the mantle is right here where the red is, and the lithosphere is also where the red is. Let's keep going down. Right under the mantle is known as the outer core. The outer core is like the mantle in the way where they're both made out of liquid. This one is made out of melted iron liquid. And the thing is that makes both the mantle and the outer core liquid is that they're extremely hot, making them melted and making them liquid. Let's keep going down. The inner core is the last layer of the Earth. The inner core is all the way in the central of the Earth. And fun fact, it is the hottest layer of the Earth. Now, I know what you're thinking. You might be thinking, oh, that's easy if it's the hottest. And if you said that because the mantle and the outer core were both extremely hot, they were made of liquid, well, surprise, you're wrong. Actually, the inner core is made out of solid. Now you might be thinking, wait, what? But you literally said in the video, these 2 layers are liquid because they're extremely hot. Why is this one, if it's the hottest, solid? Well, if you can see, the inner core is, like I already said, is all the way inside, meaning that the inner core has the most pressure. All the outer core, mantle, and crust are squishing together. All the other layers are wrapped around it, making it very tied up together, making it a solid. Now, those are what is inside the Earth, but what effect do they have on our daily lives? Let's learn about that next.